excellency.
Got the Suburu in today for Burning Man special.
Hello, I went to Burning Man and my car got incredibly dusty. So I came over to Excellency to get it detailed, the inside and the outside, and they did an impeccable job.
Got the engine bay looking back pretty. And then there's the tire.
My car is the cleanest that it's ever been, probably the cleanest that it was even before it was bought. So feeling really grateful and highly recommend this organization. Excellency Auto Beauty.
Excellency. Auto beauty.